Hey everybody, Sister Mills here. I am just hopping on here to introduce myself. I know many of you guys have seen my introduction video that I posted in my intro announcement or my welcome announcement, but I wanted to get on here and share um, about myself and be the first to be a part of our introduction discussion board. I'm super excited to see your videos, and it's so fun how a video can really show so much about a person and just to hear their inflections and to hear their personality through their video and their voice, it's a really fun thing. So I'm really looking forward to that. This is a picture of my family. Unfortunately, this is the most recent picture. It was from back in May. Um, and it's at my husband's grandma's funeral, and my husband plays the bagpipes, so he's in his funny kilt and gear, and I'm trying to wrangle my daughter while we're taking the picture. So that is just true life right there for us. Um, we live in Idaho Falls, and my husband's a firefighter paramedic here. We have two kids, Kale, who's now 6, and Avery, who will be turning 4. And they keep us really busy. We do a lot of family stuff together because my husband's work schedule is so unique. And so we get to do a lot of hiking and a lot of adventuring trips. Um, Spending time together. My kid's favorite thing of all time though is just a popcorn movie night. So we really love to do that. A couple things about me. I really like, um, I really like staying active. I really like sports. I love volleyball and golf. And then my husband's family, we always play Foursquare and basketball together. It's super fun. Um, but I also really like to refinish furniture. That's kind of something that I really didn't realize that I liked to do until this past couple years, and I really enjoyed it. And so that's something that I love to do when I have a spare minute, whenever that might be. Um, but something I like about myself from our discussion prompt is I really like that I'm organized. In our family, I'm the one planning everything out and making sure we're leaving on time and making sure we're going to be on time places. Making sure our house is stocked with food and clothes and stuff for everybody. And so I really like to stay organized. But I also am I can be spontaneous. Actually, to correct that, my husband's a spontaneous one. I'm usually willing to go along with his spontaneity. So, those are two things that I really like about myself. So, I look forward to getting to know each of you this semester. It's going to be a great one. And I'm so happy you're here. I'm inspired by your courage and your motivation. It really is one of the greatest parts of my life to be a part of Pathway. And one of the greatest blessings is to get to work with students like you guys from around the world and from all walks of life and from all experiences. I learn from you guys a lot, and I'm so grateful to be here. If you have any questions about me, go ahead and hop on and ask away. I will answer whatever you want. But anyway, it's going to be a great semester.